So today I'm gonna make a banana swirl smoothie. But first you're gonna get 2 bananas, peel them up, and make sure you have a bowl for the peels to go in. Then put the bananas in. And after you've done both of those, put the bananas in the freezer. But I'm still peeling mine because it kind of takes a long time. And after they freeze like this in a plastic bag, you're gonna open it up, grab them, and put them in the grinder. It is really freezing in there. And then when a grown-up grinds it up, it can be your dad or your mom. Bye! I need to wash my hands off. I want to dry it on my pants. First, you need a bowl, and then you need a spoon in the bowl. Or a bowl cup, like this. Yum, that show is great!